Good morning, friends. Today is April 28th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Next to number 1, you are going to draw the shape on the calendar and make the lines of symmetry. Alrighty, and here is our calendar. So when I look at that shape, next to number 1, you are going to draw that shape and draw the lines of symmetry. So again, next to number 1, draw that shape and draw the lines of symmetry. Press pause if you need more time for number 1. All right, next to number 2, you are going to write 10 addition equations that equal 28 and 10 subtraction equations that equal 28. Again, next to number 2, you are going to write 10 addition equations that equal 28 and 10 subtraction equations that equal 28. Please press pause if you need more time for number 2. Alrighty, friends, we are working on number 3. Today you are representing the number 134 because we've been in school for 134 days. So you're going to represent the number 134 with an addition equation that equals 134, a subtraction equation that equals 134, coins that have a value of $1.34, and our 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Please represent the number 134. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. All right, friends, we are moving on to number 4. Next to number 4, you are going to write 3 equations that are less than 28. 3 equations that are less than 28. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. All right, friends, we are moving on to number 5. Next to number 5, you are going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 92, 87, 94, 97, and 84. Again, next to number 3, next to number 5, you are going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Have a wonderful Wednesday, friends.